Hello, welcome back to the Games for Fun Inspire. For information, today I will give some knowledge or tutorial on how to change the subtitle in the video YouTube. Okay, first of all, we need to pick up a video that we want to see. For example, I will seeing this knowledge is very good for you all, and I am excited to sharing with you all, guys. Just like this one, I want to pick, for example, I want to pick this one, the
Wait,
evil note.
I exactly
Okay,
doing
for what we see here and what I said is in English mode. So on how to activate the letter, we need to
for several
click
time
on this one.
to achieve.
Okay,
We making a noise for this.
okay, as you see here, there is automatically generate in the English to achieve without making a noise. So any if you are not familiar with the English, you can see on how to change the language. If you closing this one, this will not automatically generate the subtitles. Okay, you see here there is some on. If you not familiar with this English, you can change in any language that you familiar with. So now you must confirming that you clicking this one and click this one subtitle, and inside here there is off and also English that auto generate. Like this one is auto generate in English. So if you want to pick another language, you can selecting auto translate. For example, I will pick the maybe the Arabic. Okay, as we see here, the changing in Arabic. I don't know whether there is a true translation or not, but it's auto generate from the YouTube's. So I hope you all understand. And okay, if we want to pick another language, we can search this one. Pick the a Chinese language. Okay, this is a Chinese language or another language. We testing the Danish or the Danish. This auto generate for the Danish. So I hope you all understand, and I just want to sharing this knowledge for you all, guys. Whether you don't know how to, because some people doesn't know what is I'm talking about. So I hope you all uh, have some knowledge in on how to changing in subtitles. That's all from me today, and thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Games for Fun Inspire. I hope you all enjoy for my video, and if you have any suggestion on what gaming you want to explore or seeing the play walkthrough, you can comment under any of my video. Thank you for all guys to watching Games for Fun Inspire. Bye.